This is a folding bike. It folds up, even the pedals. It's a Dahon American. Even the pedals flip up, which I can't do it now. But whenever you want to show someone on video how it happens, you can't do it. It's the trouble with bikes, isn't it? How does it? Oh God, anyway, whatever. Anyway, the pedals do fold, but you know, you spend half an hour trying to find out where to pull or push. But anyway, that is American. I got it off. I've just had it looked at for service up at Coedpoeth, North Wales, near Wrexham. He's called Hillside Bicycles. Yep, yes. I don't put him on the internet because he's an ex-teacher. And yeah, everyone might recognise him. And then he has to remember all these things. Anyway, it has 7 gears. I got it, yes, at the Wrexham Lane Recycling Tip charity shop, which goes to the hospice of Nightingales. I mean, just look at the state of it. It's beautiful. Well maintained. I mean, it was out in the shop and my eyes nearly popped out. And I looked up, Dahon is actually an American brand. Oh, right, here we go. There's buses here. I'm not on Sundays in Shrewsbury. How useless is that? Yeah, anyway, I got it there. It has a actually quite loud bell. Louder than most. I like Hooters, but that's the latest. Comfortable saddle. I'm not gonna. You can put a cover on it. And I've got to put all the reflective things and everything on it. But I got these USB off Temu. You get a set of lights for front and back that last 3 hours if they're left on fully. But you can have them on all day in the daytime, you see. But that's the point. Visibility, isn't it? Oh, I don't think we'll be in much speed in that. And actually, why doesn't the pedal flip? It did when I did it earlier. It's typical, isn't it? You don't pull that, and it fold up. Oh, God Almighty, I can't do it. I can't do it. Well, no, well that's useless. The saddle could be a bit higher for me. Actually, I've decided, but yeah. How did the pedal go up and down? It did. It folds. But not now. Anyway, well, it folded in the shop, and it folded when I picked it up. It's just so annoying. There's no instructions ever printed on these things, or anything you buy today. Technology, you have to sit there and pull and break it, in fact. I don't know why I can't. It's not folding. Well, you know, what's the point? You haven't got time, have you, to mess around and Google things and find out. Anyway, I'm going to show you. You only ever use 3 gears, isn't it? It's pointless having 7. Anyway, I'm in 3rd gear, which is average for flat roads. That's how you watch what happens. So you hold the brake, let it go when you start cycling. Well, of course, you can't see that I've got a helmet on, but never mind. Oh, there we go. Very comfortable ride. And I'm just going slightly downhill, so I'm going downhill. Yep, you can see I'm not having to pedal here because it's a slight slope. Well, you don't need electric bikes, do you? When you've got flat roads everywhere. Of course, North Wales, and Wales generally is mountainous, so you need them. Now, I do like to be able to touch the ground, which on my antique rally, which he's going to repair to original spec by the new year. Oh, that's quite good, isn't it? So off we push. Oh, right. You lift the pedal up and then you press and let go of the brake. In 3rd gear, that's it. Yes, I could put a saddle up, but you know, yes, saddle needs to go up a bit. Even though I'm a shorty, 5'2", eyes are blue. Oh, dear. Now I'm going slightly uphill, obviously, but I'm not puffing, so I'm not totally unfit. One hand. There we are. Right, stop. That's the it. So, Dahon, made in Taiwan, but look at the state of that. And actually, Nightingales Hospice at the recycling centre, in other words, refuse tip, in Wrexham, Llay Lane, is has got absolutely loads of fantastic children's bikes. I mean, it's just a mega Pandora's box of beautiful, and they have a look at them. This was, he said he didn't charge me anything to do anything to it because it was fine. But anyway, I gave him a tenner for looking at it. I always like to have things checked over. I mean, bikes need to be maintained like cars. Yep, there. Oh, there's just one thing he pointed out. Yeah, the bumper, the mudguard, is slightly cracked, but it's been stuck together, so it's okay. I mean, look at those. It's lovely. I have a Di Blasi Italian folding bike, which is a dynamo. It's quite funny. The lights work on 1970s dynamo, and but you can add them because, I mean, it's a bit daft dynamo. Very trendy in the 70s. But when you stop at traffic lights, the lights go out, of course, because the dynamo means the pedalling and the wheels turn, put the lights on. So he's dealing with that. I don't understand why I can't figure out how the pedal folds. It just does fold. It definitely folds. But I can't see how. Oh, there we are. Oh, you know, if they had, of course, they know they'd have to spend 2p extra on making the bike with an instruction. There you go. You punch in and that's it. So when you fold it up, you undo it in two places. There, that folds down, and there, that folds. And the whole thing's very convenient. You could take it on a bus or a train. This, especially for storage, is this business of the pedals. Yeah, they just flip out again when you want them out again. Right, so I'm very pleased. I've got, yeah, relatives coming. Of course, they'll be riding mostly the rallies, but this is my latest acquisition, as they say, for going travelling. So if you're in a car and you're going off for a weekend and that in town,